In today's video, we're going to see how to deal with the Salesforce and PagerDuty Import Error. An error occurred during import. You can skip directly to the PagerDuty part by clicking on the corresponding chapter in the playback bar or in the description. This error pops up when there are special characters in your data. It usually happens when there are emojis, math symbols, or foreign characters in the names or labels of groups or users in Salesforce. To fix it, log into Salesforce and take a good look at the groups and users you're trying to import. Are there any emojis or unusual characters in their names? In our case, the group named Import Test Group 1 has a tree emoji that needs to be removed. Click on the group or username you wish to change and press Edit. Remove any emojis, math symbols, or foreign characters from these names or labels. Once you've cleaned up the names, go ahead and try importing again. This time the import will proceed smoothly and you'll be error-free. Now we will see how to fix this issue on PagerDuty. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications and search for the PagerDuty app. In case of an error while trying to import, this is the error message you will get. Now go to the PagerDuty admin console and under People, then Users. You will see a user has a symbol next to their name. Select the user and next to name click on Edit. Remove the symbol next to the user's name and click on Save. Now refresh the user's page to verify the symbol is no longer there. Navigate back to the Okta admin console and click on Import Now. Now you can see the users have been successfully scanned. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.